Healthy Lifestyle Crib presents 25 easy, yet powerful, tips for living cheaply. In this video, we'll show you 25 tips to cut costs significantly and save money in your daily life. Number 1. Always keep the change. Many people, when they go shopping, end up with a lot of spare change in pockets or under the couch cushions that they never bother to pick up. However, placing that change into a change jar and watching it grow in value over time is a great habit to get into. Number 2. Make a simple wardrobe. A large wardrobe implies spending a lot of money on things that you may never wear. A minimalist wardrobe eliminates this waste by limiting you to only the items you truly require. This money-saving clothes hack can help you save a lot over time. Number 3. Save money to buy expensive things. If you want to buy anything expensive, it's better to wait till you have the cash on hand rather than using a credit card. Avoiding the interest charges that come with making purchases on a credit card is a great money-saving strategy and one of the best cheap living strategies available. Number 4. Cut back on or give up expensive habits. Smoking cigarettes and drinking alcohol are two of the most expensive and unhealthy habits one can have. While it's true that kicking these habits altogether can save you thousands of dollars in a short period of time, we get that it's easier said than done. At the very least, limiting your daily consumption of cigarettes and alcohol can help. Number 5. Maintain a single vehicle. More than 2/3 of Americans feel that having a second car is a necessity in some situations. Unfortunately, having two vehicles results in much higher lease payments, maintenance costs, and insurance premiums. You can significantly cut costs if you can get by with only one car for running all of your errands. Number 6. Work out at home. A gym membership in the United States typically costs roughly $37 per month, but can quickly become a financial burden if the user does not make regular use of the facility. Luckily, doing out at home is an option for those who want to stay healthy but have to watch their spending. Number 7. Selling your items. If you're looking to make some extra income and clear out some clutter at the same time, a helpful piece of advice is to sell your old furniture, toys, and other stuff on one of the many internet markets that currently exist. Number 8. Bulk buying. It's easy to be scared off by the idea of buying in bulk because of the higher unit cost. Despite the initial outlay, many thrifty shoppers prefer to buy in bulk due to the significant savings per item. As the price drops with each subsequent purchase, you can reduce your total outlay for the product over time. Number 9. Reevaluate your brand loyalty. Asking yourself why you're committed to a particular brand is vital because brand names are known to be prohibitively pricey. If the products you're making aren't of the highest possible quality, you might want to rethink your strategy. Most frugal people are aware that many generic alternatives can be just as high quality as their name brand counterparts, but cost much less. Number 10. Purchasing your pet's medication online. Pet medication can be quite pricey, but there are some drugs your pet will need on a regular basis, so it's worth it to explore if you can save money by purchasing them online. Somewhere on the internet, you can buy pet meds for a fraction of the price you'd pay at the vet. Number 11. Walk and get paid. This may sound too good to be true, but we're pleased to inform you that various applications, compatible with devices like the Fitbit, Apple Watch, and Samsung Health, among others, do in fact track your walking and award you with points redeemable for cash. It's a fantastic method to maintain a healthy lifestyle while minimizing expenses. Number 12. Keep your credit cards locked up. Credit cards are useful in many ways, but they may quickly become a burden for people who can't control their spending. Keeping your credit cards out of sight and out of mind is a tried and true frugal living hack. It will serve as a gentle reminder that you aren't allowed to use them, saving you money in interest payments. Number 13. Create no spending days. There's no doubt about it, spending money is simpler than saving it, but spending days might wind up draining your bank account and making you less inclined to be economical. One effective strategy for cutting in spending is to set aside one day a week, perhaps Thursday, as a no-spend day during which no money is spent. Number 14. Coupon hunting. Your best buddy is a coupon. We all have weekly shopping needs, but if you use coupons wisely, you may save money. Take use of the small coupon apps to help you find the best deals on things so you know what you're going to buy if you're trying to live frugally. Number 15. Use cash back apps. When it comes to living frugally, nothing beats earning cash back for making normal expenditures. To maximize your financial resources, you should learn to make the most of cashback apps. Number 16. Avoid takeouts for the next 30 days every other month. Over 45% of all food dollars in the United States are spent on takeout. That's ridiculously high, and it's easy to bring it down. As an excellent frugal lifestyle challenge, you could go without eating out for 30 days every other month. That will cut your takeout costs in half, saving you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars annually. Number 17. Organize free family-friendly day. It's not necessary to spend a lot of money on extravagant trips like Disney World or the theater to have a good time as a family. They can be free days full of enjoyable activities like visiting a local wildlife preserve or playing tackle football with the family. Boost your frugal imagination and use it to your advantage. Number 18. Invite guests to your home for social events. One great way to save money is to host parties at your house rather than going out to expensive restaurants or bars. You and your guests will be able to save money by sharing the expense of food, drink, and entertainment, and you may find that it is just as enjoyable. Number 19. Cost control your medical expenses. Healthcare costs can be overwhelming for many people, but there are solutions to this problem. For non-urgent surgeries, it is a good idea to shop around for quotes from a few different doctors. We're sure you'll be surprised by the difference. Number 20. Keep your marriage healthy with inexpensive and memorable occasions. Spending a fortune on a date to celebrate a special occasion like an anniversary is not uncommon. This is challenging for low-income families, but with a little creativity, you can still have fun on your dates without breaking the bank. For instance, you can find a wide variety of games on the internet that won't break the bank but will provide you with hours of fun. Number 21. Pantry challenge. A pantry challenge is necessary if you have so many unused food items that you can't recall when you last shopped for them. You schedule a week during which you can only prepare meals from pantry supplies. You can't do grocery shopping or order food delivery. As a bonus, you'll be able to save money by not buying any additional groceries for a while. Number 22. Implement the 72-hour rule. If you're trying to live frugally, the 72-hour rule is an excellent way to prevent yourself from making rash purchases. For instance, if you're debating whether or not to buy a new dress, you may wait 72 hours to assess whether or not you still desire it. Sticking to the 72-hour rule is useful for making sure you don't waste money on things you won't utilize. Number 23. Saving and lowering your energy bills. Cutting back on energy use can help you save a ton of money each year, as the average American home spends between $900 and $2,000 a year on energy. One easy way to save money right away is to switch to more energy-efficient light bulbs. Number 24. Change the way you get around. Changing your mode of transportation can help you save money on what is typically the second largest cost you face each month as an ordinary American. To save money on gas, you may ride the bus to work a few times a week if you know it goes directly there. Number 25. Rather of using disposable diapers, switch to cloth for your kid. Diaper costs can quickly add up, as most babies need to have their diapers changed every 3 to 4 hours, and disposable diapers can be rather pricey. Another option that can help you save some of your hard-earned cash is using cloth diapers. These diapers can be washed and reused several times. Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you appreciated this video. If you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive new videos as soon as they are posted. Also, don't forget to watch our other videos. Many thanks for taking the time to check it out.